Nature. Tell me which one. Tell me which one is Canela. Which one's Canela? Which one? Which deer is Canela? I'm in Boston, bro. She might be traveling right now. She probably traveled to Boston. Is that Canela? Is Canela thick? Alright, Brother Nature, if you're watching this, which one's Canela? That's a male. All of these girls have to be Canela. Yo. Canela! What's Canela, bro? Brother Nature, please tell me. Which one is Canela? There's a black one. That's not Canela. Which one is Canela? There's like millions of them. Which one's Canela?